Here's a screen recording of our functional prototype and the functionality that we created in order to do a proof of concept for our game board web application. So on this side, I'm going to do the board, which would be the piece that everybody would be able to see. And then on these sides, I will add 2 players that will join the game. So here we can choose that we're joining as a board, and then we join, and it basically starts the ability for players to join into the game. And with this here, it records the actions that were taken. So when a player joins, for example, so here I will join as myself, join as a player, and then join here. And as you can see, that it showed that I joined the game, and then it lists the players who are joined until we start the game. And here I can do a call out or a shout out to everybody that's looking at the board. And then as you can see, that immediately shows up over on the other side. Here, let's say John Doe is joining as well. And as you can see, John Doe has joined the game. He can also call things out. And then it shows up there. So now that we've established that players can join, they can call things out, and the board here before the game has actually started records actions and shows the players that have joined. And so we've designed our functional prototype to be a game of Uno. And so here we will start the game. And now we can see the different pieces that are here. So we've got our deck with 112 cards, and our discard pile here currently doesn't have anything in it. And now our players have this ability to draw cards. And then over here, our board has the ability to deal out cards. So, and then as we can see here, we deal them out, and it takes it away from the deck. It puts one on the discard pile, and now, as you saw, it immediately puts those cards into the hand of our players. And right there, there's John Doe's hand, and here is my hand. And here we have all of our functionality. We can discard or play a card. And let's say, we're starting the game. I will go first, and I will, since it's a green +2, we'll just go off of the color. I'll play a green reverse. And as you can see, it immediately put that green reverse on the top of the discard pile. Now it's John Doe's turn, and he will also play a green reverse. And then it's my turn, and I'm going to do a blue reverse just for fun. And then John Doe here is going to do a blue 9. I will play a blue 3. John Doe will do a blue 7. I will do a blue 2. And then he will do a blue 6. And then I will have to draw a card. So here I can draw a card, and it takes one off the deck, and it puts that one into my hand, and I am able to play that, so I am going to play it. Blue 1, and then a blue 5, And then it's my turn again, and oh, I can do a yellow 5. Now the color's yellow, and then he will do a yellow 8. I will do a yellow +2 and make John Doe draw 2 cards. And then I will play a yellow reverse. John Doe will have to draw a card. But he can play that yellow 7. And then it's my turn, and I will play a yellow 1. And then he will play, oh, he has to draw another card. Can't play that one. And I also will have to draw. Can't play that either. He has to draw. And then I'm going to have to draw. And then he's going to have to draw. Oh, still nothing. Wow. I'm going to have to draw. Oh, wild regular. I'm going to play that and make it green. Get rid of that 9. And then he's going to skip me. Do a green 4. And it's my turn. I'll do a green 6. And then he will do a green 0. And I will have to draw. Wild +4. I will do that. And I will do red. He will draw 3, 4 cards. And then I will play my red reverse and call Uno. And then he will play a red reverse and go again and do a red 6. And then I will have to draw a card. And as you can see, this game will go on for a while. But all of these actions here have been recorded as we go through, and so you can see exactly what's been done, the order that it's been done in. So for here, had John Doe called Uno before me, then we would have known exactly who would have called it first. And as you can see, the deck goes down, the discard pile tracks which card's on top. You can always deal out more cards if you need to. You can draw cards, call out, and discard. And as you can see, it creates a functional game that you can play, even though it doesn't look pretty and we don't have the front end on it yet. We do have all the functionality here, which proves out our concept. And so some of the technology here that we've done, the back end, we've done a node server, and we are using the Express framework and also Socket.io, which opens WebSockets to each of these connections. And on the front end, we're just doing simple HTML and CSS right now, just to be able to see what we need and when we need it. And so seeing this, another thing that I'll show you really quickly about the game, we can join another board, and it'll show, it doesn't have the actions, but it will show up at the same state as the other board, as you can see here. And just to show, if we do something now these new actions start showing up on the new board and also on the original board as well. And that's something that obviously will come in the future, is all actions, regardless of when the board joins, will be displayed, but currently they only show up when that board is actually in play. And so that is a video and showing of our live prototype and everything that it does. And as you can see, it's running on just my local host right now, and we didn't actually put it up on the web for now. since we did not have a place to do so currently. And yeah, so that is our functional prototype.